Spruce up your speech, enhancing vocabulary for expressing likes and dislikes. Hello, language lovers. Welcome back to our video series on mastering conversational English. Today, we are going to delve deeper into expressing our likes and dislikes. Specifically, we'll be expanding our vocabulary with new adjectives and adverbs. This lesson will help you make your expressions more detailed, nuanced, and rich in English conversations. Let's get started. Adjectives and adverbs add color and depth to our sentences. They help us express our feelings and thoughts more precisely. An adjective describes or modifies a noun, while an adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For instance, you might say, "I like pizza," but with the use of adjectives and adverbs, you can say, "I absolutely love delicious, cheesy pizza." The addition of absolutely, love, delicious, and cheesy gives more emotion and detail to your statement. Adjectives can help you convey the intensity of your likes and dislikes. They can range from simple adjectives like good or bad to more complex ones like exquisite or dreadful. Let's explore some new adjectives to express likes and dislikes. 1. To express strong likes. 2. Exquisite. 3. Captivating. 4. Exceptional. 5. To express moderate likes. 6. Pleasant. 7. Agreeable. 8. Satisfactory. 9. To express dislikes. 10. Appalling. 11. Horrible. 12. Dreadful. Remember, the more you practice and use these adjectives in your daily conversations, the easier they'll become a part of your natural vocabulary. Just like adjectives, adverbs can also intensify or downplay the degree of our likes or dislikes. Here are some examples. 1. To express strong likes. 2. Absolutely. 3. Deeply. 4. Passionately. 5. To express moderate likes. 6. Somewhat. 7. Fairly. 8. Moderately. 9. To express dislikes. 10. Barely. 11. Hardly. 12. Seldom. It's essential to pair adjectives and adverbs correctly to effectively express your emotions. For instance, you might say, "I absolutely adore exquisite artwork," or "I hardly enjoy dreadful movies." To really solidify these new words in your vocabulary, it's important to practice. Try making sentences expressing your personal likes and dislikes, incorporating the new adjectives and adverbs we've learned today. Here are a few prompts to help you get started. 1. Describe your favorite food using at least 2 new words. 2. Express your thoughts about a hobby or interest using 3 new words. 3. Share your feelings about a movie or book you didn't like using 2 new words. Remember, the goal is to use these words in context. Feel free to share your sentences in the comments section below. That's a wrap for today's lesson, folks. I hope this video has been helpful in expanding your vocabulary for expressing likes and dislikes. Remember, language is an art. The more colors, words, you have on your palette, the richer and more detailed your linguistic painting can be. Keep practicing these new adjectives and adverbs in your daily conversations, and I'm sure you'll become more confident and expressive in no time. Until next time, happy learning, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more language learning adventures.